Morning, YouTube fans. Nice sunny day here in Middlesex Township. We're going to hit 50 degrees or so, sun shining. I'm still in the kitchen doing cooking, but I'm getting closer and closer to getting outside and starting to take care of the homestead here a little bit and start planting some things, getting in the greenhouse, those types of things. So my cooking videos will probably become a little bit sparse, but I wanted to throw this one together this morning because while I was out and about and I was food shopping, I happened to pick up some very nice large green peppers, and I wanted to show a quick way to make some stuffed peppers. And of course, my standby using some paste chunky salsa and some ground meat here, which I've already browned and drained. And I'm just going to add my salsa right to the ground meat. That's about a whole cup that I've just put in there. We've already cored our green peppers, taken out all the whites that are inside, which are bitter. We're going to take our paste chunky salsa and we're going to mix it right with our ground meat because all the spices and everything are in there. Now this is a little bit non-traditional because I don't use rice because of the carb restrictions. I do like flavor and I like layering the flavor. And so that's one of the reasons why I use the paste. I use it in several different dishes routinely. I use it in soups, in my chili, in my tacos, and now I'm going to do the stuffed peppers. So we've got these all cored out. I have them in a nice plastic container that works great in the microwave. I've got 3 nice big peppers in here, and they are big ones. And so what we're going to do is we've got our meat in here. We've got it nicely flavored now. I've put some pepper, I put some cilantro, I put a couple of other spices, some pepper, those types of things into the ground meat with the paste salsa. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of this shredded sharp cheddar and some mozzarella because I like the mozzarella mix with the cheddar. You get that nice stringy, you know you got cheese in there kind of thing. And we're going to spoon this. Let me turn my heat off. We're going to spoon this now right into the peppers, and then we'll finish it off, top it with some cheese. So we've got our peppers right there. Let's start stuffing these guys. I think I got enough meat. I might have too much, but we'll see. Trying to make quicker videos. I'm going to cook this in the microwave probably 6 minutes at a time, and I'll probably have to do that 3 times. These are nice big peppers. I happen to have been down at my local Giant Eagle in North Town Square. I try to keep my shopping local, support the local supermarkets. I catch several of them that are in the area. Again, you try to spread the wealth around and keep the community whole by shopping local. Oh, I got just enough here, I think, to finish these guys up, which I'm happy about. You can see the stringy from the mozzarella. I kind of like that. You got all the flavored meat in there already from the paste chunky salsa. Wow, that was perfect measuring there. Like I said, these are pretty big and deep peppers. So after we filled them up here, they look pretty full. We're going to, now this would be a time that you could add some pepper jack cheese, or you could add a little bit of different heat measuring seasonings. So we're going to top this with some more cheddar. I go through a lot of cheese. some cheddar, and then we're going to put some mozzarella right on top of that. So you've got cheese already in the mixture, the meat mixture. And now we're going to just finish these off on the top with some mozzarella. And when these come out of the oven, the microwave oven, spoon on a little bit of the Pace Chunky salsa, and there you go. Wow, we went through all that cheese. And there you have it. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the lids back on these guys. Pop them in the microwave. We'll do 3 6-minute intervals. I'll put some plastic wrap over top of this. They'll come out. I'll put some Pace Chunky on them. And there you have it. There's a quick way to do up stuffed peppers. It'll be flavorful, cheesy. It'll work perfect. All right, here's another quick video in Vincenzo's kitchen. Remember to be kind to one another out there. Help your neighbor if you can. See ya.